Welcome to Car Reviews 02, the channel where we dive deep into the most powerful machines on wheels. Today, we are stepping into the world of military engineering and looking closely at one of the most advanced armored vehicles of the future, the 2026 M2 Abrams Tank. This machine is not just a tank, it's a symbol of modern defense technology, combining raw power, intelligent systems, and next-generation battlefield dominance. The M2 Abrams has always been a legend in armored warfare, but the 2026 model takes things to a completely new level. The first thing that grabs attention is its upgraded armor system. Built with a mix of advanced composite materials and reactive armor plating, it provides unmatched protection against both kinetic and chemical energy threats. This isn't just about heavy plating. It's about smart defense sensors that can anticipate incoming threats and deploy countermeasures within fractions of a second. Under the hood, the 2026 Abrams is powered by a refined multi-fuel turbine engine that delivers incredible horsepower while being more efficient than its predecessors. This means it's not only faster on the battlefield but also has an extended operational range, a huge advantage during long combat operations. Imagine a massive armored beast that can hit top speeds of nearly 45 miles per hour while still carrying immense firepower. This is what makes the Abrams stand apart. When it comes to firepower, the 2026 M2 Abrams Tank is unmatched. Equipped with a next-generation 120mm smoothbore cannon and an advanced targeting system, it guarantees precision strikes even in the harshest combat conditions. The tank can fire a variety of ammunition, including programmable rounds that adjusts to the target, whether it's enemy armor, fortifications, or drones. Alongside the main gun, it is armed with remote-controlled weapon stations and active drone support systems, giving it dominance over both land and air threats. Inside, the Abrams has transformed into a digital command hub. The crew is supported by advanced AI systems that assist in navigation, targeting, and even defensive maneuvers. The 2026 model introduces augmented reality displays, providing a 360-degree view of the battlefield, making situational awareness sharper than ever. Automation reduces the crew workload and increases survival chances in high-pressure environments. Another standout feature is its integration with drone technology. The tank can deploy and control reconnaissance drones directly from its systems, allowing commanders to scout the battlefield without exposing themselves to danger. This synergy between manned and unmanned systems marks a turning point in tank warfare, transforming the Abrams into not just a vehicle, but a networked battlefield platform. Survivability has been enhanced through improved NPC protection systems, ensuring the crew remains safe in nuclear, biological, or chemical warfare conditions. Combined with climate control and advanced life support systems, the M2 Abrams keeps its operators ready for extended missions, no matter the environment. The 2026 Abrams Tank isn't just built for today's battlefield, it's designed with the future in mind. Its modular design allows easy upgrades, whether it's armor, weapons, or electronics, ensuring that this tank remains effective for decades. It's a powerful reminder of how far military engineering has come and how innovation continues to redefine armored warfare. For enthusiasts and defense watchers, the M2 Abrams 2026 represents more than just military power. It's an engineering marvel that combines tradition with innovation, raw power with digital intelligence, and survivability with adaptability. This isn't just the future of tanks, it's the future of modern ground warfare. That's all for today's in-depth look at the 2026 M2 Abrams Tank. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want to see more breakdowns of the world's most advanced vehicles, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Reviews 02. Stay tuned for more incredible machine reviews coming your way.